your home. Welcome back to VN Godani English online classes, grade 1. Today we are going to learn our new chapter in grammar, that is chapter number 5, articles. ARTICLES, articles. Now moving on to chapter article, first we will see about alphabet family. Now what is alphabet family? Alphabet family means A to Z letter comes in one family. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A to Z are alphabet family. Now moving on to articles. Wow, there are only 3 articles. Article A, article A and N, article THE, the. Now we will learn in this chapter where we will use article A, where we will use article A and N, and where we will use article THE, the. Now first we will learn what is article. An article is a word used before a naming word. Naming word we have learned in first chapter. Naming word is a name of any person, place, animal or things. Here person we have taken boy, place, zoo, animal, elephant, and thing we have taken balloon. Now here A is dancing because A is the article A. We use A before a consonant sound. Now what is consonant sound? Consonant sounds means letter T, Q, B, C, N, D, R, F, V, P, W, G, H, X, Z, M, L, Y, K, J, S are consonant sound alphabets. We use A for a singular noun. A book is a singular, a fish is a singular, a kite is a singular. So we use A for singular. Now here the sentences are given you. Let's learn the sentences. Number 1 is this is a kite. Now we have 2 things here, article A and consonant sound. In the spelling of kite, K is consonant sound. So kite spelling starts with K. So before kite we have used article A. The second one is fish. This is a fish. Fish spelling starts from F. F is consonant sound. So before fish spelling we have taken article A. This is a book. Book, B is a consonant sound. So before book spelling we have taken A, article A. Now we will move on to article A and N. We use N before a vowel sound. What is vowel sound? From alphabet A to Z, 5 are the vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. If the word starts from A, we use A and N. Here are some examples of vowel N. We use N before a singular noun. Like we use A before a singular noun, we use N before a singular noun. Here is a picture of ice cream. We can say N ice cream because ice cream spelling starts from I. Here we can say an octopus because octopus spelling starts from O. Here we can say an umbrella because umbrella spelling starts from N. An ice cream, an octopus, and umbrella. Now we will learn 2 sentences, examples of article N. First one is an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and second one is an elephant has a long trunk. Here we will learn apple spelling starts from A and elephant spelling starts from E. A and E are vowel sound. So before the vowel sound word we have used article A and N. Now we will learn about article the. The. Where we will use the? We will use the to talk about specific naming word. Now you might be confused. What are the specific naming word? Let's learn. Specific naming words like the sun, the moon, the star. They are of the specific noun. Here we can say the moon because moon is only one. The stars. Here we have written the before plural noun. And here the moon, the star and the sun. Okay, we use the for both the plural noun also and singular noun also. Moon is singular, though we have written the. Stars are many, though we have written the. And sun is also one, so we have written the. Now examples of the sentences. The flower is very beautiful. The sun is so bright. Here flower and sun are specific naming word. Before the specific naming word, we have used article the. So today we have learned article a and n, and the. Now we will move on to one exercise. Put a and n and the before the words given below. The first one is a picture of ball. B-A-L-L ball. Ball is a consonant sound, so we will use A. Number 2 is O-W-L, owl. Owl, O is a vowel sound, so we will use A and N. Number 3rd is mango. M-A-N-G-O, mango. M is a consonant sound, so we will use A, mango. Now number 4 is picture of river. R-I-V-E-R, river. River is a specific naming word, so we will use the. Number 5, stars. Stars are also specific naming words, so we will use the. Number 6 is tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger, T is a consonant sound, so we will use A. Next is mountain. Mountain is specific naming word, so we will use the. And the last one is AXE, X. X, A is a vowel sound, so we will use N. A and N. My dear students, today we have learned article A and N, the. Thank you very much, and be at your home. Don't go out of your home. Stay home, stay safe.